Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Access Management product release video for July 2020. HelloID Access Management is a cloud-based solution to control who has access to your business applications. By offering single sign-on, access will be made easier for the end user. HelloID also offers a wide integration with many two- and multi-factor devices like Yubikey, Soft Token, Oauth tokens, SMS, Radius, and many more. HelloID is a good alternative for ADFS, Okta, One Login, and Azure P1 license. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the July 2020 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for other and more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd first like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the July 2020 release. We have 9 new items in this release. The first is an extra option in the admin portal where you can see the status of the configured certificate with the expiration date. This is in combination with the functionality that was released in June, which was an email notification when a certificate was about to expire. With this new option, you can see the actual status of the certificate. We also have an extra hidden attribute, ECK-ID. It is in the user database, but not visible in the GUI. It is only accessible via the mapper and the API. We also have an extra token management role. Now you can delegate 2FA tasks to a non-technical user without granting them access to the whole HelloID portal. Other additions are 3 new reports: failed logins, application usage, and most active users. And we also added the option to add a custom text on the login page. And you can use this for every IDP you have available. Another new item is an extra addition to the Openid SSO so that you have multiple redirect URLs. The last new item is that we have the ability to change the default security role. Okay, let's demo these new functionalities for you. The first thing we'd like to show you is how to manage certificates in the admin portal. That is part of the settings, where you have certificates, and within that you have a new option where you can show certificates in the different applications, IDPs, and custom portals. This is the line including the expiration date. If this date expires, you will be informed by an email notification. We added this feature last month. The next item is the extra hidden attribute. We can show it here for the administrator. Here you can see the default attributes, but also the extended attributes, and the ECK-ID is not visible in the user interface. However, if we retrieve the information via the API for the administrator, you can see here that the attribute is available, so it is available for the API. Another change is the token management role. So now you have the option to delegate 2-factor management to non-admin users. So if we select Edit here, for example, there's an extra permission available, and that's Manage Second Factors, and it has 2 options, to manage and to configure. Manage is for this section, so you can manage your second factors, and configure is for token import management, so you can easily give a non-technical user only access to this screen, and all the other options will not be available. We also have a couple of new reports. The first is failed logins. Here you can see at what time, from which platform a user failed to log in. Another one is the application usage. Here you can see what applications have been used, and also on a unique basis, this count is unique per user. And the third new report is that we can also see the most active users using the applications within the platform. So that's the information visible here. Another new option is the ability to customize the login page. This is an additional message, and you can put that on every IDP login page. This is the place where you can change that. It's the Identity Provider sections. Here's the one for local, which is what we just showed you. And this is the message that was shown here. Of course, we can make that available for any identity provider. So, for example, if we want to put a bit more explanation on the Active Directory, we can turn this on and say, "Welcome to Enjoy." You can make any modification you'd like. The last thing we'd like to show you is that you can change the default security role. These are all the security roles, and this is the default user role. This used to not be editable, but now you can edit it and turn the default role on and off. Thank you so much for your time and for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your questions in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.